Hi guys, I'm here in the casino and this is their man-made falls, guys. It's so nice, huh? It's so pretty. There's a nice I don't know what you call that one. Nice murals. There's a nice murals, guys. And I don't know how I can make this so when I can't mute this one. I think there's music in there, but I will just try to do mute or just voice over until if there's a music, because for sure I think there's music. That's the entrance in there, guys. I don't know where's my hubby. Yeah, I can hear the there's my asawa. So that was the falls right there. Okay guys, just try to go inside and we will look if this one will be copyrighted or what, because they have a live band. Okay guys, let's go inside. Ayan si asawa. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna be copyrighted.
Right.
You give me the money because there's some music, but I don't know. I'm just gonna try. Let's go. I cannot do the mute anymore. Yeah. Okay, guys. I wanna go here. Go. Greatest hits. Yeah, there is a music, guys. There is. Hope I'm not gonna be copyrighted. Huh? Thank you, though. Huh? Good luck. I'm still gonna finish my thing here. Yeah, I just go around. We will see, guys, if I'm not gonna get copyrighted. We have the table games, and I can smell. I can smell the cigarettes. Let's go here and let's see this one. There's music over there. Yeah. will tour you. I will tour you in the casino. I'm not really sure about this thing if I gonna get the CPR on this one, but whatever. Okay, they have their tables over here. A lot of people. That's their table over there. I'm just taking my time. I don't want to gamble yet. Ayoko pang magsugal, guys. Para may maipikita rin naman ako sa inyo. Kahit mga 10 minutes lang. Okay lang naman dito mag-record yata. Whatever. Hindi rin lang magpa-obvious. Hanggang 8 minutes lang ako, guys, or 10 minutes, whatever. Ang daming tagal pa. Ayan, maganda yan, guys. Ang ganda ng building. Almost 10 minutes. And they have a poker room. We will see over here. I'm just not on the beat. OTV. They have a poker room. Nahihilo na ako, guys. Sa amoy ng sigarilyo. Ayan, poker room. Wow, almost 8 minutes, guys. Maghanap ako ng tour around lang ako. Maghanap ako ng wow, $5 bet. Wow, isang tuplok mo lang, guys. $5. Malapit na rin akong matapos. I'm almost done with my 8 hours. Oh wow, they have a new machines in here. Maybe I'm gonna try this one here. I'm gonna try this one. Ay, my music lang talaga. We will see what you're gonna do with this. How much? Oh, not too bad. 60 cents. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching.